After a long wait, here is the most awaited event of the year, Expo 2020. Expo 2020 का इंतजार हुआ खत्म और एक स्पार्कलिंग इवेंट के साथ एक्सपो हो गया शुरू. Come for the greatest global gathering in history with more than 190 countries and cultures under one roof. So let's visit the Expo 2020 together and let's make our world more clean, green, and more livable. So our coming generations will have a happy, healthy, and blessed life. It's our time.
This is live. So we just go through a quick briefing before we let you on through. I was just waiting for everyone to come together. So just a couple of quick things, guys. Just remember to wear your mask correctly at all times. Social distance as you usually would. What we're going to do is open all of the doors for you. So please don't touch the doors. And the only other thing to be aware of is that we do have a water feature inside. So please just be mindful and watch your step as you go throughout, okay? Perfect. Get on through, Tim. Hey guys, did you hear the last of that? So just masks, social distance, and just watch your step as you
Welcome, good afternoon. You can hold this space here.
Wave your hands, the walls are interactive. Stay in the middle, wave your hands. Hello, good afternoon. So now people can't pollute that river. There is no toxic waste being dumped in it. There is no industrial waste being dumped in it. Now the river has healed itself. This rock, this toka, which is in the Maori language, a rock. This has come from New Zealand, from the mouth of the mountain, from where the river starts flowing. So now, this is the heart of a pavilion. If you pay attention, just wait for a little while. When you hear the heartbeat, the rock will also pulse. So just wait. It takes some time. You see it? Yes. It pulsed. Now the river is what gives us fresh water. It's our heartbeat. If global warming continues and the glaciers continue melting, what's going to happen? We'll run out of fresh water, so we won't survive. So we need to sustain our planet. New Zealand is working towards sustainable technology to reduce global warming. So when you go to that room, please have a look at the video.
अगर आपको ये व्लॉग इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और हमेशा की तरह मेरे और चैनल के सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि आप चैनल से जुड़े रहें और आगे आने वाले ढेरों एक्सपो 2020 के वीडियोस अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। अगर आपका कोई भी सवाल या फीडबैक हो या एक लाइन अप्रिसिएशन का लिखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स ज़रूर यूज़ करें। मुझे आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार रहेगा। सो टिल नेक्स्ट।